So after sectioning it out, I'm just going to go ahead to braid. I'm just going to go ahead to start box braiding the roots and the extension. Like I'll be attaching the extension to the hair by box braiding the both together. After that, we'll go ahead to take a little piece from the extension, like that's the extension I already attached to the hair. I'm going to take a little piece to just thread it, thread the roots, just to create like a neat look and also for it to be well secured. Moving on, we just separate the hair, like part it into two, and then I'll start to twist. But before then, this is how to do the twist. That's the twist for the bouncing kinky. When you twist to the left, it won't really give you the bouncing nature or the results you are going for, or the bouncing kinky results. So it's best advised to twist to the right. So while twisting, try as much as possible not to straighten the extension or drag the extension. Just twist it the way it is. It will still give you the results they are going for. Then when I get to the end of the tip or the tip of the hair, I'm just going to go ahead to roll it to itself. That's the extension. We'll roll it to itself. After rolling it to itself, then we'll just roll it in between my hands just to release the bouncing nature of the hair. Alright, these are the steps to take while you are conrolling or braiding the hair. You just section it out where you want to install the hair first, and then you box braid the root of the hair. Then take a little piece of the extension that I have already installed or attached to the natural hair. That's our natural hair. Then we'll just start tying it, threading it around the root part just to give it a beautiful look and also to secure the extension properly. After that, we'll just go ahead to separate the hair or part the hair into two. That's the extension into two together with the hair. Part it into two and then start twisting to the right. So I'm just showing you guys a demo here on how not to twist and how to actually twist. So yeah, just watch the video to understand the whole process and give the video a big thumbs up. This is how to do the twist. That's the twist for the bouncing kinky. When you twist to the left, it won't really give you the bouncing nature or the results you are going for, or the bouncing kinky results. So it's best advised to twist to the right. So twisting to the right will give you that finished look, that bouncing nature finished look. I will just continue twisting to the right until I get to the end of the extension. Then we'll just go ahead to roll the extension to itself to tie a knot, and then also to secure the tip of the extension. After twisting and tying the knot, we'll just go ahead to roll the extension in between my hands just to loosen the bouncing nature of the hair and to give it that result. Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So today's video is going to be on how to make a kinky hair, like a bouncing kinky. So it's going to be all the tips you need to know, the do's and the don'ts, like every single thing you need to know about kinky hair or bouncing kinky hair. So I'm going to be using Darling Yankee extension to do this. And I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much for the love, the support this past few months. You guys have been so encouraging, so supportive. Thank you for the likes, the shares. Like, oh my God, it's so overwhelming. Thank you so much. I just decided to use this opportunity to say thank you. So I keep getting questions on how to do these styles, like a lot of questions from previous videos I've been making, and so that's why I have decided to come up here to do this for you guys. So please, I would advise you guys to watch carefully, and if you are new here, just go ahead to subscribe to the channel, share the video to friends and family, give the video a big thumbs up because it actually encourages us to keep filming more videos for you guys. So at this point, I'm just going to allow you guys to watch, and yeah, like I said before, subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up. If you are still confused, let me know in the comment section.
If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your condo life, you know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So yeah, once I'm done with the twisting, I'm just going to go ahead to trim any flyaway hairs, and after trimming, I'm going to apply styling mousse and also oil sheen. I'm going to spray oil sheen as well to give it a little shine. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, sticking around to the end. Hope you enjoyed. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment in the comment section. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.